As you can see, my PNS is activated. Why? Because I'm resting. And which neurotransmitter is released in PNS? It is acetylcholine. Let's talk more about this acetylcholine. Acetylcholine. We already know it's a pre and post ganglionic neurotransmitter in PNS. How it is synthesized? This is nerve cell. In nerve cell, we already have acetyl-CoA. Now, nerve cell takes the choline from outside and get mixed with the acetyl-CoA and make acetylcholine. Acetylcholine then further gets stored in the vesicles, and when the nerve cell gets depolarized by calcium, these vesicles they get fused with the cell membrane and they release acetylcholine to the outside. Acetylcholine then goes further to its nicotinic and muscarinic receptors that are present on the end organs and does their function. Acetylcholine degradation and its inhibition of the synthesis. You already know that choline reuptake is very important to make acetylcholine. The first drug that inhibits the choline reuptake is hemicholine. Second one, that acetylcholine gets stored in the vesicles. The one drug that prevents its storage is named Vesimacol. Third one is the toxin that prevents the release of acetylcholine from the vesicles. The name is botulinum toxin. Botulinum toxins blocks the snare proteins of the calcium channels that are mainly responsible for fusion of these vesicles with the cell wall of the nerve cell. And organs have one enzyme named acetylcholine esterase. When acetylcholine is released from the vesicles, it does its function on its receptor. Then the remaining acetylcholine is degraded by this acetylcholine esterase. But the one thing that it does, it only degrades the endogenous acetylcholine esterase. What if we give the exogenous acetylcholine as a drug? So what will happen? Now understand that that drug will come into the blood, and in blood we have BACHE enzyme and PACHE enzyme. They work same as acetylcholine esterase. They degrade the exogenous acetylcholine esterase. Now, what is BACH and what is PACH? BACH is butyryl choline esterase and PACH is pseudocholine esterase. Do you like this video? Then follow this guide.